create a sub interface by creating a link and attach VIF to it. It can configure external routing for sub interface. By default, host routes to within fabric are filtered and redistributed externally. Also, external routes that are distributed to within the fabric as default routes. So, this lab we're gonna create the external routing. We're going to create a link and attach to VIF. So first we wanted to create a link between our leaf 4 and the WAN router. That's the link between the leaf 4 and the WAN router. So what we're going to do is to go to a link. A link we're going to create. We're going to create a link between leaf 4 and WAN router. We're gonna do intra-fabric is gonna be a link subtype. Under the template, we want to choose. First thing I'm gonna pick is the intra-fabric, and we use VF Lite. Here we'll automatically pick the external fabric setup. Here source. We want to use the EVPN fabric. The destination goes to the external fabric. Source device is leaf 4. Destination is WAN router. Source interface E/5. Destination interface gigabit 1. As we shown right here. Okay. Then go ahead. We're gonna enter some general parameters. Source. That's source IP. MTU 1500. Click save. Now we create an intra-fabric link. Close this, then go to the VIF, check tenant 1, double click it, go to VIF attach, find out tenant 1, leaf 4, and we want to use is edit. We're going to edit this, and we want to attach to the leaf 4. We're going to extend using VF Lite. Click edit on the bottom here. We want to attach this also to the leaf 4. Leaf 4 we want to attach is .1 Q10 VLAN 10 mask neighbor MTU. Click save. It's already defined. So let's click save again. Now we see the tenant 1 is attached to leaf 4. Close this. Click tenant 2, attach. We wanted to find the leaf 4 here for tenant 2. Also, we wanted to edit, attach it. Still VF LTE. Edit the last. Attach. VLAN 1002. VLAN is 20. We want to use 1002. Here's VLAN is 20. VLAN 20. 20. Everything else remain the same. So it's different VIF. We can use the same IP. Save it. Save it. Oh, wait, did I attach? Yes. Attach. Save. close this. I have 2 pending configuration. Now I'll go to switch. We'll find leave 4, and we want to deploy only 4. 110 lines to be configured. Close that. Deploy. Deploy completed. Close it. Refresh it a little bit and log on to leave 4. What to issue 2 commands show BGP VIF tenant 1 IPv4 unicast summary. Tenant 2, we have the BGP neighbor to the WAN router. One goes to 6002 and one goes to 6002 also. Different tenant. Then show BGP VIF tenant 1 IPv4 unicast neighbor routes. Tenant 2, the routes are all showing up. Okay. It is showing me the routes. These 2 tenants. Same IP, same IP. Alright. Now, same routes. Okay. Let's go ahead and check settings. Interface here. Want to pick a device name. It is spine 1. Go ahead, check the status of a loopback 0 and loopback 254. Okay. That a loopback interface. We also want to check interface Ethernet 1/4, 1/1, 1/3, 1/4. Here you go. Yeah, I interface fabric unnumbered. That will represent interface between fabric VTAPs, spine 1 and spine 2, leaf 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Yeah, all unnumbered interface. The IPs will be configured. Right here is showing here. Loopbacks interface, loopbacks 0254, and the management interface. Here you also can see the neighbors. Which neighbor. If I do this, I want to show link. How about a link type here? Want to filter out name would be contain spine 1, and next this link type equals to OSPF. Link Can I do that? Link type. Okay, protocol view. Protocol view is better to do that. Name contains spine 1 and link type OSPF. Link type OSPF. Have to choose, eh? Okay. Now it shows me the OSPF neighbor interface status full. How about link type equals BGP? For neighbor BGP to leave 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll go to switch. I want to show you this, the show command. Spine 1. I would do a little bit more. And a show command. It's easy. Here we can show. Have a lot of things. Show command 1 is run interface is net 1 slash 1 2 4 seconds. Run interface loop back 0. Run interface loop back 254. So it can show anything under show command 1 2 3 4. Execute. Now here you go. It gives us everything. I can show run pin. I would do show IP pin neighbor about multicast. Here you go. And what about the show underlay OSPF? So this is a template. If it is possible to give multiple show command at once, this is what I'm going to show you easily. Just create a duplicating an existing one. We're going to execute. Here you go. That's all about OSPF underlay. Neighbors, EVPN L2 neighbor. And the other template I want to show you is show BGP L2 EVPN summary. Execute. Here you go. That's easy to do with template show command. Next, we're gonna show you check the settings on leaf 1. We're gonna to find the device name equals leaf 1. That's 1. Okay. Next, what I want to do is the interface. Wait a second. Interface contains loop. Yes, I want to show a loop back interface on leaf 1. Here you go, or loop back interface on the leaf 1 switch. And you can also do this like interface contains Ether. That's on the Ethernet interface on leaf 1. Now here you go, all the Ethernet interface. Perfect. Showing you right here. go ahead to the link. I can show you something about name, about the leaf one. And link type, this will be protocol view, remember. Link type how about OSPF? No. OSPF status to the spine 1 and 2, layer 4, and link type BGP, EVPN, fabric, VXLAN, BGP established. Want to do a little bit show commands on leaf. How about show MVE status? I would take a little bit of time here. Now here you go, we have VXLAN, we have MVE1, everything related to the NEE status. Okay.
Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below. Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below.